Bill Goudy checking in. I'm going to smoke up some Freshwater Drum. I know. Some of you people have no idea about Freshwater Drum. Others have, I don't know, an urban a myth about Freshwater Drum. I love Freshwater Drum. I've eaten Freshwater Drum for years. Yes, they can be wormy, and you have to watch for the parasites. It depends on where you're at, what time of year, and all that stuff, but these are all good ones. And I'm going to smoke up a batch. I just love them smoked. They come out of that cold water. Oh, they are so good. Anyway, I've soaked them overnight in a salt brine. And now I'm going to rinse them off, pat them dry, warm up the smoker, and have me a treat. Check it out. I made the smoker, and I have a Bradley smoke generator, and I buy the Bradley biscuits. They're already made, pre-formed to fit right into the hopper. I have wire, I don't know, trays that are built just for smoking, and you can buy those at you know, any place, any Home Depot or Lowe's or any of those places that have grilling things. That's where I got these, and they're just a wire mesh, like a cookie sheet with handles without being a cookie sheet. Yeah, they're designed for smoking. I have my smoker set for 195 degrees, and it'll smoke like this for, I don't know, probably about 4 hours. I'll check them. I'll pour the smoke to them really heavy on the first 2 hours, and then after that I slack off. It's been about, I don't know, 4.5, 5 hours now. Let's check on those fish and see what they're doing. And open up the vent so it doesn't smoke as much in here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks done. Oh my, look at that. Oh, look at the goodness. Wow, it looks so good. Golden brown. What I'm going to do now is let these cool to room temp. But look, just look how nice it is. I'll cool them off, and then I'll take them off and put that in a Ziploc baggie and put them in the fridge. A couple of those smaller pieces were done quicker. They're more crispy. That's all right. I don't mind that. But the thicker ones are done just right. Everything's done just right. But the thin ones, I don't know. Can you see that? Thin one's cooked a little bit too much, but not bad. You know, it's more like a fish jerky, and I don't care. I'll eat them; they won't go to waste. Oh, if you could only smell that, I'm telling you. This is cooled down enough. It's still warm, you know, but it's not room temp yet. But I gotta try a piece. Look at that, will you? Hot right out of the smoker. I like it cold, but I don't mind it warm either. I can taste the salt, smokiness. Firm. I'm liking that. Yeah, let's get these priorities straight, shall we? Yeah, it's the middle of the afternoon. I'll stick with my 0 calorie Zevia. Man, that's good. I like to slice a little cheese. Back before I was low carb, I used cheese and crackers, but now I just use cheese and fish. Oh, just as good. It really is. And you know, an ice cold beverage. Man, it don't get no better. You can make a meal right out of that. It's a nice snack as well. I really want to thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Goudy out.